Hello friends, welcome back. I hope you have solved 5.1, 5.2, 5.3 and now we have come to 5.4. This chapter was very easy, so I have not solved all the examples on the board. Okay, let us start with the 5.4. The first problem, find x and y intercept of each of the following lines. Now this kind of example generally comes for 2 marks in any exam. Okay, let us see one example which was there in October 12 exam for 2 marks. Y minus x equal to minus 5. The equation is given y minus x equal to minus 5. What they asked, find x and y intercept of each of the following lines. Now whenever this kind of example comes and you have asked to find a y-intercept or x-intercept or both, the first thing you have to do is convert this equation into the linear form. Means ax plus by plus c equal to 0. You have to convert this equation in linear form. Now what do you mean by x-intercept? The line when cuts to x-axis, that point. At that point, what is y? Y is 0. So when you put y is 0, you will get x-intercept. So when the y is 0, x-intercept will be minus c upon a. And what will be y-intercept? Y-intercept will be minus c upon b. So you can even write here x-intercept is minus c upon a and y-intercept is equal to minus c upon b. If you use this formula directly after converting the equation to the linear format, you will get an answer. Okay, so let us do that. So how will you get this? Everything should be on the left hand side and only 0 on the right hand side. So I will have minus x plus y plus phi equal to 0. Now this is equal to this linear form. So what will be my x-intercept? Will be minus c upon a, that is minus phi upon a is minus 1. So my x-intercept is phi, and what is my y-intercept? Is minus c upon b, that is equal to, again it is minus phi upon b is 1, so it is minus phi. So in this way you have to solve this example. I shown this example on the board only because to tell you this. Okay, whenever you have to find the x and y intercepts, first convert any form of equation in the linear form, in this form, and after this you can easily find out the x and y intercept by this formula. If at all you don't remember that formula, simply once put y equal to 0 and once put x equal to 0 and you will get an answer. Simply whenever you put y equal to 0, this will be minus phi upon minus 1, that is phi, and when you put x equal to 0, it will be minus phi upon 1. So if you don't remember this formula, just substitute once x equal to 0 and once y equal to 0. So you will, at a time you will get x and y intercept. Okay, so there are 10 sub questions in this. Different equations are given and you have to find out the x and y intercepts. In each example, do exactly same steps. Okay, please pause your video and solve all the 10, then we'll go ahead in this exercise. Problem number 2, find a slope and y-intercept for each of the following lines. Different equations are given, 8 equations are given, and every time you have to find out the slope and y-intercept. Very simple, whatever the equation may be, just rewrite that equation in a slope-intercept form and you will get slope and y-intercept. There is one alternate method to solve this sum. For example, let us solve this. 2x minus 3y equal to 7. 2x minus 3y equal to 7. Now you have to find out the y-intercept and slope. One method is very sure, rewrite the equation in this form, y is equal to mx plus c, and find out the slope and y-intercept. Alternative method is, for slope is equal to minus, for slope equal to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. This is your slope. So what is coefficient of x? Minus coefficient of x is 2, coefficient of y is minus 3, so your slope is 2 by 3. And when you find out y-intercept, what you will do? Put x equal to 0. When you put x equal to 0 here, your y-intercept will be minus 7 by 3. So this is alternative method. No need to remember all these things. If you can solve by this method, simplest form. If you remember this formula, we will write this formula also. This is slope equal to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. This is one of the additional formula, but I don't think you solve by all those methods. Just stick to simplest form and simplest method, and one method only. Okay, so here they are given nearly 8 examples. Please solve all these 8 examples right now. Okay, please pause your video and solve this, then we'll go ahead. Third example, write the equations of each of the following lines in double intercept form and write x and y intercepts. You have to rewrite the example in double intercept form, that is x upon a plus y upon b equal to 1. Once you rewrite, what the denominator of x is your a, that is x-intercept, of y is b, that is your y-intercept. Okay, let us solve one. X plus y equal to 2. What we want? We want only 1 on the right side, but there is 2, so we will divide the equation by 2. So we have x upon 2 plus y upon 2 equal to 1. So now it is in the form of double intercept, and your x-intercept is 2 and y-intercept is 2. Let us solve one more example. 4x minus y minus 7. 4x minus y minus 7 equal to 0. First we write in the double intercept form. So we want 1 on the right side. So first we will say 4x minus y equal to 7, and now we will divide both the sides by 7. Now I am not telling you write this step, write that step. Okay, this is your duty. Whatever you are going to do, just mention there. So either you write first that dividing both the sides by 7, or after dividing you write that here dividing both the sides by 7. I am not telling you all these things. This is a general practice. Don't underestimate or don't overestimate your examiner. Okay, just think that he knows nothing, and whatever you are going to do, first write that and then do that step. Or after doing step, on the right hand side just write that dividing both the sides by 7. Okay, so dividing both the sides by 7, we have 4 upon 7x minus y upon 7 equal to 1. Now 4 upon 7 is the coefficient of x, but we want as a denominator. So what will be there? X upon 7 upon 4 minus y upon 7 equal to 1. So your x-intercept is 7 by 4 and y-intercept is 7. Correct? No, I am telling you that you will always miss the sign because our format is x upon a plus y upon b. Correct? So here it will be x upon 7 by 4 plus y upon minus 7 equal to 1. Understood? So you will definitely miss the sign, I am telling you. because 9 out of the 10 papers I correct, the students do this mistake. See, whenever the example is very simple, whenever the problem is very simple, we become very happy. We got 2 marks. Simple. So simple example. And in the hurry we solve that example fast and find out the answer. And in that we neglect the signs. It always happens. So that is why I took this example. To tell you this, because I know most of you will write y upon 7, means y-intercept is 7. Please pause your video and solve all the 6 examples, 6 sub-examples given in the main example 3. Please do it now. Pause your video. Example number 4. Find the equation of line passing through 2 and minus 1 and parallel. The point is 2 and minus 1 and parallel to 3x plus 4y equal to 10. Parallel to 3x plus 4y equal to 10. How you will solve this example? This is passing through this point. Point is given. Means what are our options? SP is our option. Correct? Because point is given. But slope is given? No. But they say that that line, this line is parallel to this line. That means the slope of both the lines will be same. And how will you find the slope of this line? You know this equation is in a linear form and slope of this line is minus slope of this line is minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. So slope of our required line will be also same. So now your equation or your given is in slope point form. What is slope point form? So our equation will be y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Slope we know, x1, y1 we know. Pause your video and quickly solve this problem. Now, no need to say that the equation of the line you have to write in the linear form because they are not asked in any specific form. Example number 5. Find the equation of line passing through a point minus 3 minus 5 and parallel to x minus 2y minus 7 equal to 0. Exactly similar example like previous one. First of all, when two lines are parallel, their slopes are same. So first find out the slope of the line parallel to it, and now you have one point and slope, so you will use slope point form, solve that equation, write properly and rewrite or convert that into our linear form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Let us solve next one. 6th example. Find the equation of the line parallel to 4x plus 3y equal to 5 and having x-intercept minus 3. Now the problem comes. Y-intercept is not given. Only one intercept is given. Okay, let us solve this. Parallel to 4x plus 3y equal to 5. This is the example number 6. And x-intercept is minus 3. Example is extremely similar, exactly same to previous one. But you'll ask me where the point is given. Okay, line parallel to this. You will definitely find a slope of this line, which will be equal to slope of this line, required line. But where is the point? How can we use the slope point form? Can you guess the point? X-intercept is given. That means that line is passing through minus 3, 0. They have given the point, but indirectly. Indirectly they are given this line is passing through minus 3, 0. Now find out the slope. Minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y, that is minus 4 by 3 is the slope, and this is the point. Please pause your video and solve this example. Find the answer of required line, that means the equation of required line in the linear form, that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Pause your video, please do it now. Example number 7. Write the equations of each of the following lines. First one, the x-axis and y-axis. 1 mark, came in the March 14 exam. So what is the equation of x-axis? Equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. What is the equation of y-axis? Equation of y-axis, any point on y-axis, x equal to 0. Very simple. Second one, the line passing through the origin and point -3, 5. This appeared in October 12 exam for 2 marks. Now someone will ask me, only one point is given, -3, 5. That means you have not read the problem carefully. They are given origin. So what is the second point? What is the origin? 0, 0. So the line passing through 0, 0 and -3, 5. So this is our 2p form. Third one, the line passing through the points 2, 3 and 4, 5. Again 2 points are given. We have to use 2p form here. Fourth one, the line passing through the point 3, 4 and having slope 5. So now this is slope point. Slope is given, 1 point is given, and you have to write the equation of the line. Fifth one, the line parallel to x-axis and passing through the point -3, 4. This appeared in March 14 exam for 1 mark. How will you solve this? The line parallel to x-axis. What is the equation of line which is parallel to x-axis? If line is parallel to x-axis, it is passing through some point on the y-axis. All y are same. So line parallel to x-axis, the equation is y equal to b or y equal to constant. And they say that this line is passing through -3, 4. The point -3, 4. What is y? 4. So what is the equation of line? Y equal to 4. So this is a tricky question. Okay. Sixth example. The line parallel to y-axis and passing through -3, 5. Line parallel to y-axis. What is the equation of line? Parallel to y-axis, x equal to a or x equal to constant, passing through point -3, 5. So what is x? -3. Okay. So x equal to constant. So x equal to -3 is the equation for the line parallel to y-axis. Eighth one. Now, we have already solved this question. This appeared in the October 12 exam for 5 marks. A, B and C coordinates are given 3, 7, 5, 11, -2, 8. A, B and C are the vertices of triangle ABC. AD is the median of ABC. Write the equation of median AD. When we solved this problem previously, they asked to find out all the medians. That means 3 medians we have to find out. Here you have to find out only 1 median. So first draw diagram. Example number 8. First draw diagram. A, B and C. Okay. Points they were given. 3, 7, 5, 11, 3, 7, 5, 11 and -2, 8 are the vertices of triangle. AD is the median of triangle ABC. AD, this is the point D. It is a median of triangle ABC. Write the equation of median AD. How will you find out? When it's a median, D is the midpoint, and we know that the midpoint you can find out. This is the midpoint of CB. Correct? D is the midpoint of CB. So you know x1, y1, x2, y2. You can find out the coordinates of midpoint. That means the coordinate of D. x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2. So once you get the coordinates of point D, can't you find the equation of line AD? Very simple. 2 points. Use 2-point formula. Use 2-point form. Mind well, this example is for 5 marks. Okay, the first step you have to find the coordinates of D, and in the next step you have to find the equation of line AD with the 2p form, that is 2-point form. Please pause your video here and solve this. The equation of line is 5x plus 3y minus 36 equal to 0. Please check your answer. Example number 9. P minus 3, 4, Q 2, 3 and R minus 2, minus 5 are the vertices of the triangle PQR. Find the equations of all the medians of triangle PQR. Just now we have found the one median, equation of one median. Now we have to find out the equation of rest of 2 medians also. Okay, that means this is a very big problem. I don't think such a big, that is find out the equation of all 3 medians, may not come in your exam. Maximum at the most they will ask you to find out the median of any one median you have to find out, not all 3. But still, pause your video here and solve this example. Example number 10. In the figure, they are given one figure, 2 lines are given. Two lines are intersecting in the point P34, and they are given the angles as this angle is 60 degrees and this angle is 45 degrees. The lines they are given PA and PB. This is A and this is B. If the figure is given, draw the figure. But if such a simple thing is there, simple figure is there, I don't think you need to draw this figure in your answer sheet. Okay, still we have to find out the equations of lines PA and PB. How will you find out? Point is given, so we have only 2 options, SP or 2P. 2 points are given? No, only 1 point is given, so only 1 option is there. SP, slope point form. Point is there, this one. How will you find out the slope? Extremely simple, isn't it? Tan 60 is the slope of PB and tan 45 is the slope of PA. What is tan 45? Is 1. What is tan 60? Is √3. So you have slope and you have 1 point. You can use our SP form, slope point form, and write the equation. Of course, the required final equations, final answer should be in the linear form. AX plus BY plus C equal to 0. Please pause your video here and solve this example. So friends, here we have finished exercise 5.4. Thank you.